How to increase buying and spending limit on Coinbase. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can increase your buying and spending limit on Coinbase. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to actually increase your buying and spending limit on Coinbase, just go to coinbase.com. Now by default, due to some account restrictions, there could be some of the features also restricted. And if you want to increase the limit of those, then what you have to do is just click your accounts icon from the top right hand side. Then you want to go to where it says settings. Once you go to settings, here you want to go to account limits. Once you go to account limits, here you can see level 1 and level 2. So basically, if you increase it to level 2, then most importantly, your buying and selling is actually going to be unlimited. So to begin actually verifying it, so for level 1 we have to verify our phone number and verify our photo ID. For level 2 we have to verify our personal information. So to get started, all we need to do is click on complete your account button here, and here you can see it says identity verification required. So now you can see select the ID type, whether it be your passport or maybe your driver's license or maybe your national ID card. In this case, you can just select whatever you have. Now you just have to upload the front side as well as the back side of your Coinbase password, or maybe as well as the back side of your identity. Then click on upload. It will take some time for Coinbase to check it and then verify the information. Then your Coinbase account will get verified. Then once you've done that, you have to move to level 2, which is to verify your personal information. After that, your buying and spending limit will be unlimited. This way you can increase your buying and spending limit on Coinbase, that is by verifying your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.